If you find that your Google ads are just attracting tire kickers and bargain hunters, make sure you watch this video before you start raising your budgets, because your Google ads might just be showing to the wrong people in the wrong places. And that's the number one reason you're probably getting price shoppers instead of clients ready to pay. So in this video, we'll talk about how to cut wasted ad spend with smarter targeting, stop cheap clicks with negative keywords, and how to use ad copy that pre-qualifies high-value clients before they ever click. When Google Ads first launched, it was simple. Someone typed a keyword, your ad showed, easy. But over the years, Google added automation, partner networks, broad match options, all meant to help you reach more people. But the problem is that reach quietly eats away at your budget. So your ad might show up for people 3 states away or to someone reading an article about your city instead of actually living there. So these features are what I call the silent budget killers, and they're exactly what we're gonna fix so that every click you pay for is someone actually ready to hire you. So the first one is fix your location targeting. Start here. It is the fastest way to stop wasted money. By default, Google targets people based on presence or interest, which sounds fine until you realize that interest could mean anyone in the world who's Googled your city. Switch it to presence only, and that tells Google show my ads only to people in or regularly in my area. Then set a realistic radius, something your team can actually serve. 20 miles might just be plenty, or it might be too much. And don't be afraid to exclude neighboring areas that rarely convert. Every time you narrow your map, you raise the odds that your clicks come from paying clients and not just random browsers. Number 2 is disable low quality networks. So in your settings, check where your ads are actually showing. If you see that the search partners or the display network are turned on, turn them off. These networks might get you more impressions, but they're usually low quality and very spammy. And in one case study, over 98% of search partner clicks were junk, bots, misclicks, brought 0 conversions. So stick with just core Google search and make sure that those 2 networks are turned off. Google search is where people are actively looking for your service right now. Number 3 is focus on high intent keywords. This is where most accounts end up losing money. If you are a towing company and you're bidding on tow truck, Google could show your ad to someone shopping for a tow truck or reading about a truck towing capacity. Instead, use buyer intent phrases like tow truck near me, emergency tow, or I need a tow now. Avoid words like cheap, free, DIY. Those pull in those bargain hunters, and those are the people that we're trying to avoid. High intent, location-based phrases might bring in fewer clicks, but they bring in the right ones. Number 4 is your match types. So when you add the keywords, choose phrase or exact match types, steer clear of broad. Broad match sounds tempting. It gives Google more freedom, but it's also too free. It can match your ad with nearly anything related to your service. So phrase and exact match give you a little bit more control. You'll see fewer impressions, but a much higher percentage of real leads. So think of it this way. Broad match opens your front door to everyone walking by, where phrase and exact only invite people in who actually need your product or service. Number 5 is train Google with negative keywords. This one step alone can completely change your lead quality. Negative keywords tell Google which searches you don't want to show up for. Add words like cheap, free, jobs, or DIY. Then check your search term reports a few times a week and add in any low quality search terms in as negatives. You'll see what people are actually typed before clicking your ad, and use that list to keep adding new negatives. Every time you do, you are teaching Google, show my ad to better people. It's a small routine. It can be tedious, but it definitely pays off. Number 6 is align your ad copy and your landing page. So if someone searches tow truck in Mountain View and your ad headline says tow truck in Mountain View and your landing page repeats that same phrase, that's an instant trust signal. They know you serve their area, and Google rewards that relevance with better ad scores. So in your copy, focus on value, not necessarily price. Mention what sets you apart. Fast response, certified text, decades in business, whatever matters most to clients who care about quality. Then make sure that your landing page proves it with testimonials or trust badges. When your message is consistent, the right client feels understood and the price shoppers just click away. Number 7 is leverage your ad extensions in your Google business profile. or your assets. So make your ad stand out, and you can pre-qualify people before they even click. Link your Google business profile so that your location and reviews show up. That's what gets you more visibility on Google Maps as well. And that is where the best local leads come from. So add call extensions so that ready buyers can call directly from the search results. Use callouts to highlight strengths like 24/7 emergency service or licensed and insured. And add site links like client reviews or why choose us. These act like mini filters, drawing in serious clients and turning away the tire kickers before they even cost you a click. And the last one is keep monitoring and refining your ads. Optimization is not a one-time fix, it is an ongoing habit. So check your search terms weekly, test new ad copy, and reallocate budget to what's actually bringing in real clients. Think of your campaign as a living system. Each tweak, each negative keyword, each new ad test fine-tunes it toward higher quality traffic and better leads. The businesses that win on Google Ads aren't the ones spending the most, they're the ones paying attention the most. So every setting in your account is a filter. Use those filters to block out the price shoppers and attract clients who value quality, because the goal isn't just more clicks, it's the right clicks. And if you're not sure where your account might be leaking money or attracting the wrong kind of leads, I do offer a detailed Google Ads audit. I'll go through your campaigns and show you exactly what to fix so you can start bringing in higher quality clients who are ready to pay and not just price shopping. You'll find the link to that below if you want me to take a look at your account personally.